This is week 8 of starting my own business as a non-EU student here in Germany. The time is 5:16 a.m. and I was training Claude on the written content that I post on LinkedIn so that I could save some time if it learns the exact style and tone that I write my posts in. So by saving that time, I could dedicate that exact time on creating a new business series that I have been thinking about for some time, where I would be covering the whole journey from week 0 up till now, week 8, and further along as the business journey goes. So I have recorded one video around the documentation part, which helped me get the approval from the Ausländerbehörde, the foreign office here, but couldn't upload it on the committed time that was the last weekend because of a lot of editing required. But I'm planning to not go into the fancy stuff and just make the basic edits and then upload it so that people who are applying or who are in this journey could can benefit as soon as possible. And so the goal is very simple and clear: to create maximum value for the people who are 1 or 2 steps behind me. So to achieve that goal, I'll be sharing videos and content in raw and unfiltered form. There will be some editing, but very basic editing, so that people who are watching get the value as soon as possible, to avoid any kind of delays. So if you're watching this, if you think that my content is going to help you or is already helping you, then consider subscribing to my YouTube channel as well, because I'll be sharing complete video series there, because on Instagram and TikTok and even Facebook, the video lengths are limited to certain extent. So see you around.